Hello and welcome to DNN, the DPS Greater Faridabad News Network, where we bring you the latest updates from a vibrant and ever-inspiring school campus.
That's right. From creative classroom experiences to enriching excursions, celebrations, and proud achievements, we are here to take you through all the wonderful events that shaped the month of March. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned.
Every child is an artist. Pablo Picasso. With this spirit, March began on a bright and cheerful note as the students of Bal Vatika 1 took part in the Happy Hues coloring activity on 2nd March 2026.
The classrooms turned into little art studios, buzzing with excitement as colored beautifully within outlines, experimenting with shades and strokes.
Their confidence, patience, and joy reflected how meaningful creative expressions can be.
Truly, Happy Hues wasn't just an activity, it was a celebration of imagination and self-expression.
Learning becomes powerful when children take the lead, and our young dipsides proved this through an impactful Nukkad Natak on the science behind the lunar eclipse.
Through thoughtful dialogues and expressive performance, dipsides encouraged everyone to choose curiosity over superstition and knowledge over fear.
It basically showcased how learning at DPS Greater Faridabad goes beyond textbooks.
Because every wonder of the universe has a story and every question leads to a new discovery.
Grandparents make the world a little softer, a little kinder, a little warmer. On March 6th, the school hosted a touching storytelling event titled Dada Dadi Nana Nani Ki Kahaniyan.
We were honored to welcome Mrs. Anjula Mehendiratta, Mr. Raj Chandanani, Mrs. Anju Singhal and Mr. Anand Singhal, who mesmerized the young audience with stories filled with wisdom, imagination and values.
From tales of service inspired by Hanumanji to magical adventures of Golu, Channa Mama and a Jadui Pari, every story brought smiles and warmth.
A beautiful bridge between generations was formed, celebrating love, culture and timeless values.
Adventure met environmental awareness as Class 3 visited the Jungle Trail Park.
Spread across 18 acres, the park offered exciting experiences, zip lining, rock climbing, boating and more, all under expert supervision.
Dipsides were fascinated by giant animal sculptures created from nearly 400 tons of recycled industrial scrap.
The day was full of teamwork, courage, laughter and lessons on sustainability, a perfect blend of joy and discovery.
Merging academics with everyday life makes learning truly meaningful. On March 5th and 6th, Class 2nd students enjoyed Little Shoppers Day Out.
With 20 rupees in hand, students purchased an item from a curated canteen menu, placing orders, paying correctly and making choices independently.
This hands-on experience helped them understand the value of money.
A simple yet powerful activity that made learning enjoyable and practical.
Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower by Steve Jobs. DPS Greater Faridabad proudly celebrated the achievement of Puranjay Agrawal and Anya Agrawal.
Representing the school among the top 10 Techpreneur teams at the AI Impact Summit 2026, they presented their innovation Nyay Setu with exceptional confidence.
A proud moment showcasing brilliance, creativity and futuristic brilliance.
Congratulations to both of them.
To empower parents with insights into the Cambridge pathway, a special coffee catch-up session was held.
Principal Dr. Bindu Sharma and Headmistress Mrs. Ritu Jain interacted with parents, sharing the school's vision of nurturing confidence, curious and globally aware learners.
Cambridge educators gave an overview of inquiry-based learning, resources and curriculum activities.
Parents explored the model classroom, engaged in discussions and appreciated the clarity and warmth of the session.
March 8th was a day of gratitude and appreciation as DPS Greater Faridabad celebrated the remarkable women who contributed to the school community.
Women staff members received heartful cards and chocolates, while men were encouraged to give chocolates to the wonderful women in their life.
A special gesture for our support staff added to the warmth of the celebration.
A simple yet meaningful tribute to strength, compassion and dedication.
Yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. On March 9th, Montessori children participated in a serene and joyful yoga session titled Yoga Wonder Moves.
From Vrikshasana to Brahmari Pranayam, children explored mindful movement with excitement.
The soothing Om chanting created a peaceful atmosphere filled with calm and positivity.
A beautiful blend of wellness, balance, and joyful learning.
On March 7th, the S3 Share and Shine Saturday showcased the creativity, confidence, and conceptual clarity of a Class 3 Dipside.
The program began with the presence of Principal Dr. Bindu Sharma and Headmistress Ms. Ritu Jain, followed by vibrant choir and performances.
Dipsides presented poems, models, demos, and subject-based games, bringing classroom learning to life.
Parents enthusiastically participated, celebrating the growth of their children, a true reflection of NEP 2020 in action.
We proudly congratulate Swannik Goyal of Class 10th for securing a place among the top 24 in National Physics Olympiad, among top 60 in National Astronomy Olympiad. The parent orientation session welcomed families to the new academic journey at DPS Greater Faridabad.
The parents explored beautiful exhibitions of art, FLN, robotics, and ATL before attending the formal ceremony.
Principal Dr. Bindu Sharma delivered an inspiring address emphasizing a strong school-parent partnership.
Teachers briefed parents on the curriculum, while Ms. Pratima Sharma conducted an insightful parenting session.
A meaningful step towards a collaborative and fulfilling year ahead.
After annual exams, the Cool School program for classes 6 to 8 brought creativity and fun into the campus.
Dipsides explored sculpture, self-defense, music, dance, theatre, and art.
The energy, enthusiasm, and joy reflected how beautifully Dipsides embrace the learning beyond classrooms.
On March 16th, Bal Vartika 2 and 3 Dipsides enjoyed an exciting movie outing to watch Goat.
Popcorn, vibrant visuals, laughter, and storytelling made the day unforgettable.
Fun games at school added to the excitement.
A perfect blend of entertainment, friendship, and joy.
A new year of focus and determination began with the welcome assembly for classes 10th and 12th,
where Principal Dr. Bindu Sharma encouraged Dipsides to stay disciplined, confident, and goal-oriented.
Her motivating words set a powerful tone for the year ahead. DPS Greater Faridabad, in collaboration with Adithra Rehab, organized a free health checkup camp for parents, teachers, and Dipsides.
With over 250 participants, the camp offered physiotherapy consultations, foot scans, and BMD tests.
Focus on posture correction raised awareness on long-term wellness.
A meaningful initiative promoting a healthier school committee.
What an extraordinary month it has been.
From exciting adventures to heartfelt celebrations, our Dipsides truly filled March with magic.
So we can't wait to bring you even more inspiring stories next time.
So stay curious, stay excited, and stay unstoppable. This is DNN, DPS Greater Faridabad News Network signing off. Keep smiling, keep shining, and have a fantastic day ahead.